All right, I finally got to build one of these things. Yeah, this is Eco. We've been playing this for a while. This game is beautiful. If you have not played Eco, I strongly recommend it. We are uh, on the verge of getting rid of the meteor. We had a slight problem with people that couldn't log in for a while. Someone made the great idea of having it so you would gain points depending on how long a job took. So I burned up 500 tallow. Turns out you can't use biodiesel for anything. I had every intention of burning that up in something. I got all of this. Have four of these things. Slight issue. We just need to increase our power output by 8-fold. That's going to take a while. Because right now, those things were enough of a pain in the ass to make. And if I have to make, what, 40 more of those, we might not be saving this world. We might not. So in the meantime, I have finally managed to build something I've wanted to play with in this game in so long. As soon as I find a place, everyone logged off and wasn't very active for like half a week, and nature took over again. There was quite a while there where we had absolutely no trees. Not no trees. It's no easy to get to trees. And now they're everywhere. We're trying to destroy Mother Nature, and this is what we get. All right. I've yet to play with this thing. Wow, that's big. That's huge. All right, so do you want gasoline? Okay. Open. Fuel, storage, text. Enter text. Got no storage, fuel supply, power. Oh, it does take biodiesel. I didn't say that last time. It didn't say that in the thing. Oh, sweet. I can run this forever on tallow. How do I get in? How? There's a seat, right? There we are. How do I get in here? Okay. Yeah. Definitely sounds kind of loud. That's backwards. Just like this. Drive. Drive as much as you would expect, something kind of voxel based. We're hung up on stuff. I'm not doing a 15-point star turnaround. One. Nope. Oh, that's why I got out. Hello? Nope. Get in. How do I run this thing? Oh, you run it with the mouse. So if I go like this, the mouse goes out. This, the mouse comes in. Can I swing you? Oh, wow. This is, you have to use, I'm using the keyboard. These controls, boys, are not terribly intuitive. If I go, okay, how did I just do that? I want to go out like this. Let me beat this tree up. Grr! Take that, nature! Grr! I can swing it. How do I... That's turn. Oh, it turns on the base! It's like a JLG. Unfortunately, I'm hung up here. Now, this thing is... Where did my arm go? There we are. How do I dig with you? So we hold the button down. digs all on its own. Eh. Not the most intuitive of things. Swing that back and forth. I'm not sure I actually did anything. Trees appear to be indestructible. I'm doing a great number on the dirt. I have to get out of here yet. Here we are. Nope, it's the wrong button. Alright, let's hop out for a sec here. What's going on? What is my digging machine hung up on? Oh, yeah. Really? Oh, you get out, you take the fuel with you. That's interesting. But I don't want to take the fuel out with me. Sit here and idle. Manual moving, manual digging to free up my digging machine. Get back in here. So, still hung up on something. Let's, if I do... Right button dumps all the dirt out. Okay, that's good. That just turns the turret. Oh, this is not very intuitive, ladies and gentlemen. Not at all. Okay. Whoop, the hole I just dug. Petroleum. What do you mean no room and destination? You have nothing in you. 5 dirt still for some reason. Okay, let's do that. There. And then bonk and bonk. Okay. Obviously need a place that's more flat. Let's try over here. Let's assault that gob of dirt. Placed you down backwards. Sure, I meant to do that. Out of legally allowed to pollute. Ha! The only one on the server. I'll pollute all I want. Okay. Back in there. Thankfully, biodiesel is a completely renewable resource. We'll just run our stuff on. Nope, that doesn't work. How do you turn? Oh, okay, you do turn like that. Okay, dirt. You ready for this? Okay, dirt. Just turns the thing off. Hello, dig the dirt. Dirt right there, dig it. You're not digging the dirt, I don't like this. Why are you so less intuitive than I want you to be? I have to be parked to do that. Interesting. Grrr. Big deep hole. Oh, nope, that's not. No, backwards. No, out of hole. I swear I'm a much better driver than this. Grrr. Power out of this. Come on, you've got to have 4 by... What in the world happened there? You gotta lock the hubs. This is not remotely fair. Big deep holes. That's nice. Somehow. Alright, let's dig our way out of this. We're gonna turn to turd again. Did it last time. Nope. There's a hotkey for that now? Oh, we're still stuck. Hmm. Alright, put all the dirt down. Okay, I said put all the dirt down. There we are. Put all the dirt down right on top of me! Yes! Ha ha! Can't put any more dirt there. We appear to be stuck. Yahoo! We're free! And bam! This thing has awesome suspension. I can just crash into things like that. Yeah, not entirely sure just how useful this thing is. Oh right, trees are indestructible for some reason. Driving with WASD works just fine. Let's dump this dirt out. Dumpy dump 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 dump. We meant to do that. Dumpy dump. Okay. This. Do you work on stone? Probably not. I'm willing to bet it doesn't work on stone. Quite willing to bet it doesn't do a damn thing to stone. Doesn't do a thing to stone. Well, at the very least, once a guy gets a hang of this, once a guy gets a hang of this, oh yeah, I can dig all kinds of dirt, but I can't. Spit the dirt out. Spit it out. All of it this time. Okay, we'll drive around with 4. Oh, this I gotta see. Perfect parking job. Oh, I can't wait for this game to stop being early access. I'll see you guys later.